Hi there, friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today, in this video, I am going to show you how to change the DM spam filter on the Discord app. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Let's get started, guys. Step 1. First, open the Discord app and find the home screen menu. Step 2. Next, tap on your profile picture at the right side of the screen corner. Step 3. Now tap on the Settings option at the top right of the screen. Step 4. Next, scroll down the menu, find the Privacy and Safety option, and tap on it. Step 5. Now locate the DM spam filter. You will see 3 options on your screen: Filter All, Filter from Non-Friends, or Do Not Filter. Step 6. For the last and most important step, tap on the option you want to set. For example, tap the Filter from Non-Friends option. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.